Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Perrier Blackberry sparkling water. I've never tried their Blackberry, I've tried their other flavors, so I'm going to try this one out. Here's the nutrient panel, if you guys want to read it, pause the video. This is the ingredients. So they do use a spring water, so it has minerals in there. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. That blackberry aroma is very weak. It's like a very minor hint, and it doesn't really taste like blackberry. It tastes like, give me it. It tastes like a, like it's not, I don't know. It doesn't really taste like blackberry to me. It tastes like some sort of, like I don't know, it has a weird taste. To me, it's not a strong blackberry. It doesn't have like a blackberry citrusy sort of sourness to it or anything. It's just like a sweet hint of a berry taste, like a almost like a sweet berry. Think of like a sweet berry taste. So kind of weird, but definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.